All right, I hope everybody's doing well. My name's Baxter. I wanted to talk about how I installed my running boards or my side steps for my Jeep Wrangler TJ. So, if you're looking for a really affordable option for this, you can pick these up online, and I will leave links to the one that I have in the description. You can pick these up on Amazon for around 100 to 150 bucks, really depending on where you get them. There's also some on eBay, but they all should look the same. So they should all have these mounting brackets like this. So there's a few of these kits and they have different names, but for the most part they all have these four brackets that look like this, where they have two slots here, and then you've got four bolts, four lock washers, and then four washers. Um, if you've got the Jeep Wrangler TJ, and you'll know what I'm talking about in a minute, you'll want to use this first slot um, or the YJ. So if you've got a 95 to or 87 to 95 um, Wrangler YJ, you want to use this one, as well as the TJ, which is 97 to 2006. I've got an '04. So I wrote this blog post on another website that I own, and I wanted to kind of run through that today. I just wanted to talk about how to install these if you're trying to figure that out, because I wasn't really sure. Essentially, there's a couple of different body pins underneath your Jeep. There's one right here. There's one right here. I believe there's another one here. So you'll just want to line up your running board and make sure you remove the correct one. But it's a really simple process. It took me about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I did it by myself, but it definitely probably is easier if you have somebody else to help. But a couple things you'll need: obviously the kit. I used a socket wrench. You can use an impact wrench if you'd like. It might make it a little bit easier. And then just a 5/8 inch socket, just an 18 millimeter with that. I used the socket extension to help tighten things down, and then just an old towel or one of those mechanic rolling beds if you've got one of those. So the first thing you'll do is you'll remove this body pin from your Jeep using the 5/8 inch, and it's got this rubber bushing on top, and this will come off as well, as you can see here. And with your mounting bracket going through that first hole, you'll just run the pin back up this way through it and put the rubber bushing on top, and then just tighten everything down. I wouldn't tighten it down all the way until you install both of these. So I started with the driver's side in this example. So once you have that, then what you'll want to do is you'll want to take, if I can go up here, you'll want to take the bolt, put the lock washer on the bolt, and then put the washer on top of the lock washer, and then you'll just run it coming from this side to this side. So this is not a great picture, but essentially you're connecting one end of this to your mounting bracket and just tighten it down, and that's using the other size socket, the 18 millimeter. So that's pretty much it. You'll do that for one side. You'll secure it down like this, and then you'll go over to the other side. And once you have it secured, go back through and tighten it down. I used the extension with my socket, and it made it a little bit easier. Some people have trouble actually removing the body pins, so if they don't come off for you, you can use like a WD-40 or something like that, and sort of just leave it overnight, and it should help. So I hope this has been helpful. If you like tips like this, if you like modifications to your Jeep and all that type of stuff, I've got a playlist on my YouTube channel. But appreciate all the support at Car Wash Country. If you're interested in this stuff, be sure to hit subscribe. I just wanted to make this video today since I'm washing my Jeep and I'm talking about it a lot, so I figured I'd put this video on there too for everybody. So hope it helps. Until next time, hope everybody has a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.